Casey Abrams and Chris Medina tried to give their audition a boost by adding a little spring to their steps.
Sleeping like a log. So when I get on to you, I find the things that you do will make me feel alright. Will make me feel alright.
Casey, Chris, you freaks.
What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, baby.
Taking risks is all part of the game. But would it pay off in the end?
It'd kill me to hear a no. It would absolutely kill me, because I put my heart and soul to every single performance I've ever done on American Idol. And just, you know, it's just saying your heart and soul isn't in the right place. That's what it says if I get a no.
Coming up.
This is, for me, the worst part so far.
No. It's gonna be good.
For the people here in room 1, the agonizing wait.
Oh my God.
So with that being said, that...
And Casey Abrams. The Abrams